So what happens? The next point we will be talking is autocorrect. This is the option. What happens when we write ADN many times? I am writing ADN. Am I right? When I put a space, the computer will automatically, just now it did. And if you are making some mistakes, it will automatically put you a round column and all. Now, this is the autocorrect facility where it is available. Let's again go to this. More options. We have gone to this, more options. There is something like proofing. This is the place where we will be now seeing. Now we click this proof, then there is something like autocorrect option. How many of you have gone to this place and tried to play around with this facility? Anyone? And I may not be able to see everyone. Can somebody answer me, please? Yes? I'm not able to hear you. Okay, we will see this autocorrect option. What does it do? The system, MS Office has got so much of correction by itself. Like, suppose we write ABOTU. You just have a look at this. When you write ABOTU, it makes it as about. When you say ABOUTA, it says about A. So this is an option which MS Office gives you. So let's go and test this option. ABOTU. Then it makes it as about. Have you seen this, all of you? So MS Office has given you lot of options like this for autocorrect option. Now this can be positively used for our benefit. I mean, many times we can use it for our benefit in a very, very constructive way. Let's have a look at it, how to do it. Okay. Now, can somebody tell me, when you are preparing a report, some words or some phrases or your own company, can somebody give me an example which you will be typing time and again? Can somebody tell me, please? Yeah, can somebody give me? Can somebody give me some example, or can I take Vadivel? Can you please give your company's name?
Yeah, A Vadivel and Co, sir.
A Vadivel and Co, and you want to put it A Vadivel and Co, and you want to say something. Okay, please tell me, A Vadivel and Co. What's your address?
Page 10.
Give me.
Page 10.
Face.
Door number 10.
Door number 10. Yeah.
First floor.
First floor.
Sri Venkateshwara Complex.
Sri Venkateshwara Complex. I'll say Varagadam. Okay. Just for we will not spend most of the time. Now, every time, suppose you have to write this, let us assume, isn't it? Suppose you are trying to do something, you may do this many times in many of your reports or whatever it is, or you may keep it as a, you have to prepare a letterhead, or sometimes you say, you will have to do this many times. Let us do one thing. Now we will copy the whole thing, then Control C. We will go to more and we go to options. we will go to proofing, we go to autocorrect, then we will replace it with AV. Okay. We will add it now and then we will come out. Now I will only type AV. I get everything.
Oh, very good.
So I will again repeat. See, when I say AV, you will get everything.
Super.
Is it not a good facility which we can use?
Yeah, it's good facility, sir.
You can use it for anything. You can make, I will extend it. What all we can do, that's different. So what happens? Instead of typing everything, you will simply say AV any number of times when you say AV. Because when you are making a contract or when you are making a report, many a times a particular sentence, you may be using it 100 times. So you need not, what we will do, we would have done it in the first time somewhere. Then we take that sentence, we copy it with Control C, come back here, we again make it as Control V. So it becomes absolutely a irritating thing. Now you see, I only said AV. You can give anything, but don't give what are all the regular words which can be used. We should not give. You can give it as AX, AY. These are all not the words available. But you can't give AS because as is a verb. So he will not take it. Now, what we have done, MS Office has given us one facility that in case you make a mistake in spellings, so we will correct automatically. That is what Bill Gates have given us across. You just see this ACCROSS across. So what was happening when I was going through this self-learning, normally R&D you do with these kind of packages and all. Then I found out on top there was something like this which came, replace this with this. So I was trying to find out what is this. So we started doing this. See, especially Steel Authority of India Limited, Durgapur Steel Plant, we have to write in many other places. So that's a very big sentence if you really look at it. So we used to make it as only DSP. The moment I type DSP, then it will automatically give me the whatever I have told you. Steel Authority of India, Steel Plant. Suppose what I can do now, I will now take the whole thing. I'm again redoing for you to get the things clearly. Then you say copy, go to more options, proofing, autocorrect. Autocorrect. Now it has come Steel Authority, so I will make it as DSP. Right? Now I have added. I will come out. Now I will remove. When I say DSP, it gets me this. Is that clear to all of you?
Clear, sir.
Anybody wants to do it, or we can proceed? Somebody wants to have a go at it with their laptop or computer?
Proceed, sir.
Somebody wants to do it, I will share your screen because this is, all of us should be clear that we have got a new idea. So if somebody wants to do, we can do. Otherwise, we can continue on this. On the same thing, we can continue.
We can continue, sir.
We can continue. Okay.